Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So if you've been curious about beef tallow, the cooking fat, you're trying to move away from seed oils, this one really surprised me in the best way. We've made our own in the past. This is an amazing alternative. I received this product from a brand for review, and I want to share with you my honest opinion. Forward Farms grass-fed beef tallow is one single ingredient that is like traditional cooking, but with modern convenience in a jar. The texture is really smooth, it's clean, and it melts beautifully. There's really no smell to it. There's really no taste, so it's not going to change the taste or flavor of your cooking. I like to use fats for my eggs when I'm making my fried eggs. It melts nice and clear, so I crack my eggs in there, cook them up nicely, get that going a little bit. Go ahead and do my other egg. Into that sizzle. It cooks beautifully, clean. So this has actually a high smoke point, like 400 degrees, which makes it perfect for frying. It's also great for sautéing. You can roast vegetables with this or sear meat. One thing I noticed right away, it doesn't have an overpowering smell, doesn't have a flavor. It just adds richness to the food without making everything taste like beef. So it's great for everyday cooking. So you can use it for not only cooking, but also for skincare. Look at there, beautiful. Have it with my... People use it not only for cooking, but also for skincare. I like to use it as a moisturizer. I put a little bit in my jar, and about 2 to 3 times a week, I'll take a dab and rub that on my feet, and it keeps my feet feeling smooth, and it works really well on dry skin. So there you have it, a nice, clean, beautiful breakfast. If you're exploring cleaner cooking fats, or maybe keto or paleo lifestyles, or a skincare treatment, this really is an easy way to add something traditional and versatile to your kitchen and your skincare. You will love it.